bitches up.
Hey man, what it do, y'all? It's your boy B, and I'm here with my motherfucking brother, man. You know what I'm saying? And I just wanted to let y'all know this is gonna be the craziest vlog I ever post. More than likely, it's probably gonna be top 5. You know what I'm saying? Cause life gonna get better, so you feel me? We gonna start doing crazier shit.
This is gonna just get dumb. You feel me?
It's gonna get insane.
Right now, I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. Motherfuckers getting drunk.
And I'm just, before we get drunk though, I ain't even introduced y'all to her. I ain't even introduce them to yours. Hold on, that's the sister.
This Whammy.
That's the sister, and this Wamisha. This Wamisha, you feel me?
Oh my goodness.
It's a whole lot of,
Let's have a clink war.
What's up? Hold on. Let me put on. Hey yo,
Niggas got the clanks on
look, bro, I ain't gonna lie, tonight it's gonna be a fucking movie, so I hope y'all stay tuned. Let's get this video to 1K likes, bro, because I know it's gonna be T. I know it's gonna be fucking T.
Oh, your bitch gonna be taking a shot out of this. I'm sorry, and
She gonna be taking a shot of this. I'm sorry, but hey, if she in the B&B, that's on you. That ain't got nothing to do with me, gang. You should have had her under control. Just saying.
Tell her come through the bed, man. Tell her come through the bed.
Ayo, big watch, TikTok, shot clock, I fade away. I got big on big knots, I came to play. I got shit like kick rock, cut homie in a roadblock. Man, my niggas can hold out. I say, who are you to judge or even count a nigga pockets? I got niggas whipping buckets, so you know it's not an option. I say, who are you to judge and even count a nigga pockets? I got niggas whipping buckets, so you know it's not an option. I'm in the store.
Yeah. Y'all sponsor. I forgot to bring his foot. I'm a little good. Go grab him, bro. Why you running? They in the trunk in the suitcase, gang. Like, I gotta open up the suitcase. It's in the trunk. It's a lot of Z's. He's your size. He only moving designer shorts. Nigga, you wear drawers anyway.
Talking about his size.
Yo, I know you got some balls like shorts in there.
I swear I do. I didn't bring no ballers. Like I brought straight Dior, fucking off-white, everything. I'm so serious.
Pussy, bro. Like, who that, bro?
Bro, what?
There's no bad bitches in LA.
When you got the chain, you know what I'm saying? You gotta step up your game.
No, I ain't tell you all that.
When you get a chain, no, he said, when you get a chain, you don't even gotta tell a bitch your name though. When you just go to the club, they gonna come up to you.
We ain't posting this.
They gonna read that motherfucker. Hey, that's for the archive. Bloopers.
Bro, leave the suitcase open, bro. Go get it and pull it out. Yo. Get the off-white, Sam. Why?
Hurry up, man. Gave me change.
Yo, my hat, bro. My weird cat, bro. He tripping, bro. Come on, let's play, bro. Yo.
He got a fucking rubber on his head.
It's in his pocket, bro. You was too open.
oh God. He ain't that.
Now you never play defense.
Yeah, Nas.
Wake up, you little bitch. Yeah. Look at this shit. Feet to the wall. This little piggy went to the market. Wake up, bitch. Wake up, bitch. Come on, get up. We gotta go get buckets, fuck nigga. Got a house call in the living room.
We need to go to the school game.
We got bread. Oh my God. Hey, nah, let me hold something.
It's all good.
That nigga got facial hair. What did you do?
This nigga's disrespectful.
Nigga rubbing his cheek and shit. He over here massaging his face with the damn clipper. Ah, man.
Trying to play the pissing contest. See who pissed further.
I know.
You do.
Nah, shouldn't me.
That nigga was at the gas station.
Further,
That nigga was at the gas station. He said not me. Then he said I pissed further than anybody. Hey yo, get that beautiful ass Benz in the cut.
Stupid.
Right off.
Hey, with the litter on the ground too. That's yours. That's yours.
I threw my shit out the car.
That exactly. That's Dot.
Yo, y'all, why y'all snitching? Fuck niggas.
All the X button on his shorts. They ain't got no X button.
It's not even an X, bro.
Does this not look like that?
It's not even an X, bro.
You gonna be so serious like that?
Yes. The camera on us. I don't know you right now. Fuck, nigga.
Hey, run the film video. Run the film.
I already told you to delete it. I sent them that.
Whatever you got, double it.
Hey, I gave him 3 bands. That's crazy. That's crazy. That nigga say this shit ain't seen the light of day, goddamn.
3 bands, you won.
That is wild.
Hey, 7, 6. Good. Hey, Jasper.
Woo.
Look up. Lay up. That's on me.
Hey!
No, I hate that.
Welcome.
Hey, no. Stop there.
That's on me, goddamn. That's on me.
Go!
Fuck B-Dot. Tell B-Dot. Fuck B-Dot. If you know, you know, B-Dot.
Hey, Red. I ain't got my shit.
I'm calling it how I see it. I'm calling it how I see it. I'm calling it how I see it. Hold on. He's stalling, y'all. He's stalling.
Glad will come on, bro. Glad will come on.
They come on when you start it.
Not clicking.
There you go. There we go.
Go ahead, bro.
Yeah.
Take that bitch. Come on. There ain't no fucking shot, nigga.
Take that shit. Take that. Let me see it. You said the video's still rolling. So if you bitch, I posted it. If you I posted it.
I would never get caught a bitch in my life.
Okay. Ooh, that was good one.
I got some hair on my fucking nuts. Got some hair on my fucking nuts after that one. What the fuck?
Let me hit that bit.
Oh my god. Hey yo.
My bad. Sometimes I gotta prove this shit.
I'm trying to when I put these shades on, it's a different movie.
Well, he did it. Fuck it.
I got face up. Face up. You too.
But how long you gonna record me eating, fam? Can I just eat in peace? See, this is what DJ wanted all along. He wanted me to eat sausages and shit. Pause.
I never wanted him to eat. He ate all the sausages himself. 3 of them.
DJ.
Cooked them, he barely cooked
DJ,
them.
we never had like you didn't use to saute them hot dogs.
And glazed them in mayo.
DJ.
Disgusting pig.
DJ. We never had like you didn't use to saute them hot dogs.
He's a fucking sicko,
Oh
fam.
God, he used to saute them hot dogs.
Fam, it's like, it's red and white, fam. It be red and white.
He mixing the ketchup and the mayo, then slapping it on that
Start
motherfucker.
banner, bitch.
You got that shit all over your bed, bro.
Shit, boy.
I know that shit good. You fucking that shit
Good
up.
as fuck right now.
I ain't gonna lie, it's everywhere. You gotta just get in the mirror.
I ain't walking in the room like that.
I know them hoes soggy.
Tripping Nas.
It's a fake jewelry, so go ahead.
Why you gotta keep bringing them niggas?
Because that's just who you is. I know you. Let's bet 1,000 right now. I give you $1,000, you let me go through your phone.
What? To find what?
Give me a phone. I'm not gonna find nothing. I just wanna go through it. Whatever I see to myself is what I see to myself.
To do what? Like, what's the
I don't want to do nothing. I just want to see. I'm gonna prove my point by seeing.
But I gotta know the bets.
There's no bed. I'm just giving you a bed. If I don't find nothing that bother me, turn me off. I'll give you the bed. Oh, bro.
Okay, let me go deal with it.
Hey, your foot is here, baby. Yeah, that's on you. See how quick I am? Cheese in my pocket, I beat
No, I'm sorry. I'll put you back. Get up.
Celebrity shit. I'm not famous, bro. Don't ask me. That's that famous nigga shit. Being the last nigga out so everybody can see you. Stop coming out. Oh, my fault, Tim.
I know y'all like on a personal level, you know what I'm saying? Tim to the 2000s. I want to see all three y'all niggas win. Everybody else, I don't know them niggas. I finally paid attention to it. Look, he said it like 3 times.
He was waiting, cuz. You hell. No music.
Tossing, I be turning, I can't get no sleep. Just turn me up and burnt the blunt, they got my shit on repeat. I hit the booth, I'm getting loose, it's time to spit some heat. Full pockets full, and I'm like, lil' baby, no, this shit ain't cheap.